YouTube. This is my first official video. Okay, we're doing the Elite99 Polygel. Part of my clip got deleted, so I believe this color is number 9037, if I'm not mistaken. I think so. But it goes on super smooth. I just love these polishes. That's what I really meant to say. Okay, as you can see, it's so pretty and shiny. Like, this color is not really my color, but it looked good on me. It really, really did, and I really liked it. And let's see, next color we have is hold on, let me get the light situated. It's 9040. It's like a brownish red. In the first one, I think it's like a magenta, and then it turns like a light purple or whatever. But this one, I don't like this color. I don't like when it's cold, like the original color, because it reminds me of poop. I have to say that. It really does. But if you can see in the camera, right in the picture, in the video, it's not showing you the true color. It's like darker. But I think like in the video, further along, you'll be able to tell the actual color. But I'm trying to get a close up on it right now. You see all the glitter and the sparkles inside of it? It's so pretty. Yes, it is. Okay, let's see what we have next. Next we have 9039. This is like glitter in it also. Oh, I love this one. I forgot what color this one changed it to. Oh, I put the brown on it. Ew. But you can't tell. It's like it's a pretty purple with glitter in it also. Oh, look at that. It's so sexy. Look at that. You see all that glitter, y'all? Okay, next, one of my favorite colors, 9038. It's blue on the outside, but you see it's purple. The color just changed into blue, but on the outside, I don't know why they're showing this both of them as blue. That's why I got it, really. But I like this too. As you can see, the purple, this purple is like a little bit darker than the other one. Let me zoom in some. Yeah, it's like a little bit darker. It got glitter in it also. I love that one too. Okay, let's see what we have next. We have 5722. That's another purple. It's more like a pastel purple, I could say. I think that's the color that's in my nails in this video. I believe it is. Yeah, I think it is, because it turns like a pink or whatever. But yeah, that's like one of the Easter colors, like springtime pastel, whatever. I like it. Let's see, what else do we have? It's let's see. Okay. Next we have 9037. I'm so mad, y'all. I had to do this recording over because somebody had to do something, so I paused it and I forgot to hit the record button. So I'm doing this all over. Okay. So this is like some kind of pink or magenta. I don't know. I like pink, but I'm not really a pink person. But yeah, as you can see, you see all that glitter and that sparkle. It's so sexy. Ooh. Okay. Next up we have, what color is this? 5720. That's basically kind of like the other one that both of us said blue, but it really wasn't blue. It's like dark purple. Is it dark purple? Yeah. I like that. Ugh, so sexy. I wish I did the swatches on something else and not the clear, so you guys could really see. But I just grabbed the first thing I seen because I was super tired. And let's see what we got next. Oh, I'm showing it? Okay. Wasn't sure if I was or not. Oh, it's so pretty, y'all. You see the sparkles? The glitter. It's just shiny. Okay. Oh yeah. That's what it really looks like. Somewhat. Those are the colors. I think I put my hand on it so you guys can get a little better idea. No, I don't? Okay. Next we got this orange. It's like the light orange and the dark orange, I believe. They don't actually tell you the colors, just the numbers. If I get to zoom in. Wanna zoom in? Okay. 5723. Let's check that out. So I know there's like 4 numbers, so I'm wondering if, I don't know. What'd I do? Oh, yep, I sure did. Man, it took me like 10 minutes to figure out what happened and what color I was missing because I went over the same color. So here it is, wet. This is 2 coats, y'all. I believe it's 2 coats. Yeah, it's 2 coats. Yeah, I love the colors. And this is, I turned the lights off or something. I don't know what I was doing here, but you guys can see like it was changing colors already. It was kind of cold that day. Okay, next we have them after they cooled off. And later in the video, I'm going to show them again. But I think this is the top coat. I'm not sure. I think I got the videos like mixed up. But yeah, I like them darker. Look at that. That dark orange. It's so sexy, y'all. Look at the glitter, man. It's so pretty. Okay, you see the brown like that? It's closest to that color. That's the color the brown it really is. And I think later in the video is like the actual true color. But it looked good on somebody else, but my preference, I just don't really like it. It's not me. It's not me at all. No. No. Okay, yep, this is me doing the top coat. And I did 2 coats of the color, all of them. I could have done 1 for the glitter, but I just wanted to do it anyway. But yeah, here's me putting on the top coat. And what kind of top coat did I use? I used Azure Beauty. I used their top coat. I'm just trying to use it real quick. So I have like another set. This is like the old batch. Just putting on this. And here you go. Yeah. This is the top coat. Look at that shining pretty. Look at that glitter. Ooh, those are turning blue over there with the purple. I like that. I hope you guys like it too. You guys need to try it out. I have fun putting my hands on the water and rubbing them together and going outside and changing and doing all kind of stuff like that. I just love glitter. Ooh, I got my notifications. Got some more stuff coming. Okay. Sorry about that. I'm not sure if the color for the brown one popped up. Like the real color. But ain't no color so pretty, y'all. But yeah, that pastel purple, that one next between the 2 blues, that's the one that's on my hands. It really is. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I think this is where, before I put the top coat on, I just got the video things mixed up. This is me rubbing them together so you guys can actually see them changing. Not me just put on the hot water, come back on camera, like, here you guys go. Look, see, changing. Okay, it's pretty. Blue and the purple. It's like a darker purple, but you know, some of the clear, so you can't really tell. And that's the one that's on my nails. That one. Okay, this purple turns into blue. It's like a really pretty blue, y'all. Like really pretty. And the glitters just make it pop out and stand out. And I like this one too. This one's pretty. I like that kind of pink. See, there, that's the brown. That's the color it is. I'm not having that. And then it turns a red. I don't like red either, but it looked cute on me though. I liked it. And that's the purple to the blue. So basically the colors are purple and blue, and then you got the red and the brown and the orange. But yeah. Thanks for watching my video, y'all. I'll catch you in my next one. Talk to you guys later. Bye.